The Consumer Protection Act provides for the establishment of Central Protection Council at national level, State Consumer Protection Council at state level, District Consumer Protection Council at district level. These are formed in accordance with the jurisdiction, and Minister in charge of Consumer Affairs at central government is the chairperson at the national level or national council. The Minister in charge of Consumer Affairs at the state level, the District Commissioner or Collector is the chairman at the district level. Consumer Disputes Redressal Agencies. The Consumer Protection Act provides for the establishment of Consumer Disputes Redressal Agencies, District Forum, State Commission, National Commission. So, in the District Forum, a qualified judge will be nominated by the state government, president over the deliberations. It entertains up to 20 lakhs the complaints where the value of goods and services is less than 20 lakhs. There shall be 2 members of whom one shall be a woman. It is compulsory. Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. I think all of you have seen this. They use this for order in the court. See, this is Karnataka State Consumer Dispute Redressal. This is the place where whenever the traders make unfair practices or unscrupulous exploitation, you can seek redressal. The State Commission, a person who is or has been a High Court judge is its president. There shall be 2 or other eminent members will be there who have adequate knowledge relating to consumer affairs. So, it entertains complaints exceeding rupees 20 lakhs but not more than 1 crore, and out of 2, 1 will be a woman. Jurisdiction of consumer forums in India. You can see District Forum, State Commission, National Commission. Appeals against the orders of any district forum within the state, appeals against the orders of any state commission if the value of goods and services and claim is less than 20 lakh. The National Commission is headed by a judge Supreme Court to be appointed by the central government as president. There shall be 4 members of eminence, integrity and standing. One of them shall be woman. This dispose of any complaints where the claim shall exceed rupees 1 crore. How to file a case in consumer court? There is no prescribed pro forma for this. It may be typed one or written in hand. The complaint should include the name of a person, address and telephone number, and the person or organization against whom the complaint is made should be mentioned clearly with address. The particulars of the goods by which the loss has incurred and the amount of loss should be specified clearly. The bill or receipt should be enclosed. Without a bill, they can't do anything. So, always I advise that you should have bill, then only you can file a case. There is no fee or stamp duty for this type of complaint. No advocate or lawyer is required. The consumer himself or herself can argue. Thank you.